Hello and welcome, Cube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I am a bit emotional about this particular one that I'm painting over. This was an absolutely stunning one that my son and I did together, that I did the pour on, the wave pour, and he did a beautiful airbrush art on it, and it sold, and then I was to do the final coat and I was busy and I didn't use the right product over his airbrush art, and it just completely smeared the whole thing and ruined the painting because his airbrush paint wasn't acrylic, it was basically a water base, and I just wiped it all off. So we had to tell the person that was buying it that mother had ruined it, and I was devastated, really devastated about it, because I did it with my son, and you know, probably as well because it had already sold, not, you know, and you feel disappointed telling someone that you've ruined a piece of art because you wasn't thinking when you did the final coat because you were busy. Not good enough. Jilly, not good enough. But, you know, I have to move on, and I can't cry over it or anymore. So I'm just painting over it. I don't know whether this canvas will come out because it's had everything on it. So I am just going to really just basically blow my heart out onto it. I'm going to just go for it. And I'm going to use some weird and wonderful colours. I'm going to use some of this, what's it called, sand. I'm going to use some sand. What do I want to do? Let me think. I had something in mind and now it's gone. So I'll just completely wing it and let's see how we go. So I'll do some wiggles around the bottom here. A wing and a prayer. Yep, these things happen, but there's really, you know, what can you do? Cry over spilt milk, you can't, you've just got to move on. So I've just got paints left over, and so if this doesn't work out, you know, let's stuffed it up anyway, so just got to try. Colours are beautiful together, absolutely stunning. So this was the cool red with my what's it called, pearl mist. Absolutely loving adding this pearl mist to my dark colours because it's completely got that shine in it. It's absolutely gorgeous, so I'm loving adding it to dark colours. I mean, it's nice in the lighter colours if you want the pearl look in there. Absolutely fine. So would you go with orange in here? Absolutely not. So that's why I'm doing it. I'm just going for it. I'm just going for it. And I don't, with absolute abandonment, I'm not even worried about anything this art piece turns out. I'm just going to go for it. What's that saying? Fortune always favours the brave. Or is it fortune never favours the brave? I don't know, but I think that's brave. That is very brave, very brave. And that just really speaks to me. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So you know what? It's stopping. It's stopping. I love it. And knowing it'll probably turn out absolutely gorgeous, but because I've done it over so much beautiful work that was underneath, it may crack. So I'm going to just give it a tilt to get those colours to run over each other. Just take it nice and slow. Remember, there's no hurry here. There's no prize for first. The faster you do it, you just take your time and relax. Remember, it's your art room, your rules, your way. Don't be influenced by other people. You have to do, in art, I believe you have to do what your art desires. There you go. So, okay. Let's just give this a whiz with my heat wand to burst any air bubbles. I don't know where I'm getting the cells from. Anyway, go for it. I'm going to give it, just going to go. Sweet puppy, what do you want, darling? You want to go out? Go on then. I have to cut that bit out. Go on then. Quick, 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 quick. One, two, three. Good girl. Good girl. Go. Okie doke. Don't like that. But anyway, just go for it. Just going to see where I get here. I'm just going to have a go at blowing it. Every which way. So, I was thinking about this particular style of just blowing it here, there and everywhere, and what come to mind, because my washing machine is on, is the washing machine pour. Because I'm just going all over the place with it. This is spoilt because of the cells. I do not like those cells. And this is my washing machine pour. The only colour that I think that I have got is this orange. That's the only colour that I remember. It started off as yellow and I added the orange to it because there was a bit of each. And if it didn't have all those holes in it, maybe it would look something, but I don't like the holes. I'll push on and see if I can correct it. So I'll use my tiny balloon where those big holes are, and that corrects it perfectly, because you get rid of the holes and join them together, look, with the balloon kissing in it. It takes away those nasty holes. So let's see if I can save this again. It was so beautiful the first time, but that's it. Move on, Julie. Stop crying over spilt, ruined paint. You can't. It's only paint. I have to take a leaf out of my own book, don't I? Right, all of those little holes, you are big on with my magic balloon. And it is getting rid of the ugly holes perfectly. So just that little balloon kiss, getting rid of them. Yucky pookles. Oh, that was beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Just amazing how some of them come out with this balloon. See all manner of faces and animals come out in your pores. Don't like the big holes down here either, so I think I might absolutely balloon the gizzards out of it. Rightio, let's give this, see if I can save it. It might need drying off a little too, but I'm just gonna absolutely go crazy with the balloon and do what I love. So this is the rolling. See, sometimes you just have to not care what other people think you should be doing right or wrong with your own art and just go for it. It just makes me laugh sometimes how some artists can keep doing the same style over and over again and they get, oh, that's wonderful, wonderful. Then another artist that tries to change it up for people, oh, you do that all the time if you do something a couple of times. So you just can't win in the YouTube world, that you can never please everybody, so you just really have to please yourself. Oh, I love doing it and I am absolutely fantabulously happy with that now. Look at that, wow, love it. I love it. You've watched me crazy antics. I'm just going to go around the edges and finish them off. There will be some photos for you, so let you know how my crazy antics did. Do you think it's a goer or a noer? Looking at the colours now on the bottom, the orange and the red, I'd actually love, in fact I might do that. I'll do that. That's it. I'm doing it. Took my gloves off and everything. I love this so much. I'm going to cover this. But you know what? I haven't even got the colours, so I can't. I haven't got that red left. I've got some white. So why not? Why not? Absolutely. We'll see how this goes. So I haven't got, don't want to put that orange in it though, because that's what's got the, I might have to put a bit, so that's what's got the, this is the only one that's got the, what you call it in it, the, okay, what colour can I add instead of that? Shall I put a bit of, got a little bit of this purple here. See if I give this a little bit of a blow around. So, I'm calling that technique the washing machine technique, because you're blowing it every which way but loose. So, there you go. Kisses, rolls, It's gonna have the lot. Now the puppy's saying, let me in, Mom. Definitely a washing machine technique. Have a go. It's every which way. Those rotten holes are coming out. I don't like them, but as they're dry, I'll go over them with my little balloon. And I just love the style of, it's, well, there you go, the mad, chaotic washerwoman style, or washerwoman style. No, somebody will say, oh, you can't say that, it's not politically correct. So, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, coat of resin over that, providing it dries well, that will be a beauty resin. All right, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Do you believe me? I'm gonna leave it. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you for joining me. Bye.